Now, how many people here carved a jack-o'-lantern or a pumpkin this year for Halloween? Now, what are the first few steps you do when you carve a pumpkin? You're wearing a pumpkin costume somewhat, so you should be able to tell me. It's not a pumpkin costume? What is it? A what? Oh, she's a demon hunter. That was my third guess. Okay. What do you do when you carve a pumpkin? You make the face first. Yeah? I think you gotta do something first though. What do you gotta do? You gotta take out the pumpkin guts, right? How many people here use their hands to reach in and scoop out that pumpkin guts, right? Well, so in mad science, we like to do things a little bit different. We like to take, all right? We like to take an empty pumpkin and we like to put the guts inside of it. And the type of science we're gonna use to put our pumpkin guts inside, what do you think it's called? Well, if it's creepy chemistry show, what kind of science do you think I'm gonna use to make pumpkin guts? Chemistry, right? We're gonna use a little bit of chemistry and some chemicals to make some pumpkin guts go inside of our pumpkin. But to do that, it's gonna be a little bit messy. So I need a brave volunteer who doesn't mind getting a little bit messy. Let's see, somebody in the back, let's see. Somebody who looks like they don't mind getting messy, let's see. How about that? Yeah, that's a very nice costume. Come on up here. Let's give her a round of applause. Here she comes. Very good, come on down. There you go. Very nice, very good. All right, now, let's see, here she comes. Come on, you're gonna come right behind the table with me. Just mind the wires. There we go, come on over here. What's your name? What is it? Chloe, okay Chloe, and what kind of costume is this? What are you dressed as? Not sure, it's a good costume. All right Chloe, now we're gonna get messy, but we don't want you to get too messy. So I'm gonna have you put on a glove, okay? You can put it on either hand, it doesn't matter. Johnny Argon's gonna put a glove on as well. And friends, one thing I forgot to mention to you, we love when you guys take pictures or video during our show. If you wanna share them with us, we're on Facebook, Mad Science. You look up Mad Science New York City and Westchester. If you find us and share a picture for a special Halloween treat today, share a picture with us on Facebook and we'll send you a free Halloween treat in the mail for your little ones, okay? So Chloe, you got your glove on? Excellent, okay, good. Now the first chemical we're gonna use to make our pumpkin guts is a chemical called PVA. Everybody say PVA. Now Chloe here, you know what PVA stands for, right? Pickles, vinegar, and applesauce, right? That's ridiculous. Why would you think that, Chloe? No, it actually stands for polyvinyl alcohol. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour all my PVA into my pumpkin. Oh, look at that, it's a nice thick liquid. There we go. All right, now what I want you to do is using your gloved hand, Chloe, I want you to reach in there and mix it around and tell me if it starts to feel like pumpkin guts. I'm not sure. Try to pick it up. It doesn't really look like pumpkin guts. You know what it is? You're stirring the wrong way. You gotta stir the other way with your hands. See, yeah. You're doing a great job. No, I'm kidding. We need to add a separate chemical to make our pumpkin guts come together. Because really, pumpkin guts, they're kind of gooey, they're kind of stretchy, they kind of remind me of slime. How many people here have ever made slime before? Yeah, that's kind of what we're making here, our pumpkin gut slime. So let me put a little slime making music on here. All right, and now let's add our second chemical. Hello. All right, here we go. Let me add a little bit of this. Hold on, move your hand for a second. There we go. All right, go ahead and stir that around now. It should start to change. Ooh, I'm sorry, can you go back to your seat? We don't need another helper just right now. Maybe in a little bit. Thank you so much. All right, how does it feel, Chloe? Is it starting to feel different? Maybe you need a little bit more. There we go. Sir, I'm sorry, you have to go back to your seat, Indy. Come on. Go ahead, go back to your seat. Go ahead, back to your seat, sir. Back to your seat. If we call you up, then you can help out. Until then, you gotta go sit down. Go ahead. Thank you, thank you. All right, Chloe, how do we feel? Can you pick it up this time? Let's see. Oh, wait a minute, hold on, let me help you out here. Oh my gosh, we've got pumpkin gut slime. Look at that now, ready? Hold your hand out. Now, if you're gonna make pumpkin gut slime, what you gotta do is you gotta squeeze it really hard and you gotta give everybody a nice evil laugh. You have to say, Mwah! Ready, go ahead. Oh, she's not very happy for an evil laugh. Everybody help her, everybody give an evil laugh. Say, Mwah! Yes, with our slime, we will take over the world, or at least the food court. There we go, our pumpkin gut slime. Give Chloe a nice big round of applause for helping us out today. Good job, good job. Ready, slimy high five, here we go. Oh, what's the matter? You don't like the slime? Here you go. You did awesome, Chloe. Thank you so much for helping out. Oh.